Today we're making Zeera biscuits. These biscuits are simple, fragrant and perfect with a cup of tea. Start by taking a bowl, add 60 grams of ghee into the mixing bowl, then follow it by adding 1 whole egg and 60 grams of powdered sugar. Using a hand whisk everything together until the mixture becomes lighter in color and smooth. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, then mix again until fully combined. Next, sift in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then follow it by 1 cup of flour. Begin mixing with the same whisk or a spoon until the mixture turns crumbly. Add around 2 tablespoons of Zeera. Switch to using your hands and gently knead it into a soft dough. The dough should be smooth and soft enough that when you poke it, it leaves a slight indent. Transfer the dough onto a silicone mat or clean work surface, then press it down gently with your hand. Place a sheet of cling film over the top, then using a rolling pin, then roll the dough out to about 1/2 centimeter to 1/4 centimeter thick. Using your favorite cookie cutter, cut the cookie dough into biscuit shapes and place them onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Gather the leftover dough scraps, roll them out again, and repeat until all the dough is used. Preheat your oven to 170 Celsius, then bake the biscuits at 160 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are lightly golden and crisp. Allow the Zeera biscuits to cool completely before serving so that they can develop their perfect crunchy texture. And there you have it, crispy homemade Zeera biscuits that are perfect for tea time or as an everyday snack.